Those are difficult films in general to get made.
I fell in love with film.
That's the way I was known for many years.
I've made a lot of pictures that were so bad, they weren't released, they escaped. But the money is unimportant. It's important to buy food, it's important to buy some clothes. But the most important thing is to be in love and be lucky enough and fortunate enough to be in the motion picture business. I will, on September, be 74 years old. And I've been in the motion picture business for 72 years. When I was the #1 box office star of the world, first year I was 19 years old.
I want success, sir.
And you'll have it. I know you will, Mickey. Just think when our names are up in electric lights. You the big composer and producer, and me the singing star.
And the second year, above Jimmy Cagney, above my friend Clark Gable, Spencer Tracy, I knew it was not going to last. It didn't. I never step over old friends to make new ones.
I'm gonna write a show for us and put it on right here in Seaport. Why, it'll be the most up-to-date thing these hicks around here have ever seen. Opening night we'll have Max Gordon, Sam Harris, Lee Schubert down to give us the once-over. How about it, kid?
I have a saying, when you start out in the business, they say, who's that kid? I says, Mickey Rooney. I want somebody like Mickey Rooney. And after a while they say, who's Mickey Rooney? That's the way a career goes.
Mr. Golightly, once again, I must protest. If you don't stop with that phonograph, right this minute I'm going to go to the police department. That's more better.
It's not too important what you say about me, as long as you spell my name right.